We're now going to begin building the parts for Module 7. The first thing we're going to build is the crank knob. As you can see, it's 2 cylinders, a big cylinder on top with a diameter of 1 that extrudes for 0.4375. So in Inventor, I'm going to open a part file. I'm going to click Start 2D Sketch, choose a plane, draw a circle. Its diameter is 1, the picture said. Finish. We're going to extrude it 0.4375. Again, I got that off the picture. The next smaller circle is 0.625. and it extrudes 0.75 minus this one. So I'm going to start another sketch on this face. This circle is 0.625. Hit enter, finish, extrude, and it's 0.75 minus what we had earlier. And hit enter. We now need to put that hole in the top. If you noticed on the image, the hole is 2 different diameters, and it tells you the big circle on top is 0.375. That goes down for 0.375. Then that smaller circle is 0.25, and it goes all the way through. So I'm going to start a sketch on the top face. I'm just going to put a point in the center. Hit finish. That's going to tell it where I want to drill that hole. If I right click on that point and click hole, I want 2 different diameters, so I have to choose the second one right here. Okay, that gives me the options to type some stuff in. I know I want the big one to be 0.375. It needs to go down 0.375, so I'm going to type that in. The rest of it is 0.25 all the way through, so everything else is good. I'm going to hit OK, and there's my part. Okay. Now I'm going to File, Save As, and this was called the crank knob. So I'm going to drop down and choose my flash drive and name it crank knob.